In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write fractions in Notion. This is a really handy skill if you use Notion for school, work, or personal projects and need your notes to look clean and professional, especially when you're dealing with math, measurements, or any kind of numerical data. Let's start from a blank page or any block where you want to add a fraction. The key to writing proper fractions in Notion is using its built-in equation editor. Instead of just typing something like 1/2 as plain text, we're going to use a small piece of math formatting so that the numbers stack neatly, just like they do in textbooks. First, click into the spot in your Notion page where you want the fraction to appear. Now, type a / followed by the word equation. As you type equation, Notion will show you some options in a small menu. This is Notion's command menu, which lets you quickly insert different types of content without leaving your keyboard. From the list that appears, click on Inline Equation. This tells Notion that you want to insert a small mathematical expression that sits right in the line of your text, instead of creating a big standalone math block. It's perfect for simple fractions or short formulas inside sentences. Once you've selected Inline Equation, you'll see a little box appear in your text. This is where you'll type the fraction using LaTeX-style formatting, which is a standard way of writing math for computers. Don't worry, for basic fractions it's very simple. To write 1/2 as a proper fraction, type \frac, followed by an open curly brace, the number 1, a close curly brace, then an open curly brace, the number 2, and a close curly brace. It will look like this as you type \frac, open brace 1 close brace, open brace 2 close brace. As soon as you finish and click outside the box or press space, Notion will automatically convert that into a clean fraction, with the 1 on top and the 2 on the bottom. You can use this same pattern for any fraction you need. Just replace the 1 and the 2 with whatever numerator and denominator you want. With this simple method, your notes will look much clearer, more organized, and more professional whenever you need to show fractions in Notion.